Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Education Department issued circular of no detention till Standard 8 without Cabinet consent. Cabinet had deferred the decision. Minister upset over contempt of the Cabinet. Government clears some major demands of UTA. 12% government expenditure to be welfare of ST. Reserved government jobs to be filled in 2 months. ST certificates within 3 days. Anchal Kaju Bhavan premises fire survivor Soiru Velip narrates spine-chilling story of Bali Carnage. Tells everything that happened before Mangesh and Dilip's death. Says, I saw Mangesh running for his life. National delegation of the BJP meets Mangesh Gaonkar and Dilip Velip's families. Inspects the Bali Carnage sites. Demands dismissal of Kamath-led government. Champions of India, Salgonka Sports Club arrived to a rapturous welcome. Karim Panjrifa's boys become the toast of the town. And Shadab Jakati expects India call-up soon. Receives offers from English county clubs and Sri Lanka Premier League. Super King star shares IPL 4 secrets with Prudent. And now the news in detail. It is revealed that no detention till Standard 8 circular was issued by the Education Department without Cabinet's consent. Prudent has a copy of Cabinet minutes where the Council of Ministers has deferred the decision. But Education Department went ahead and issued a circular within 7 days of the Cabinet order. Some ministers have taken this as a contempt of the Council of Ministers.
Have a look at the minutes recorded in the Cabinet meeting. Now, have a look at the table item number 6. It says, no child admitted in a school shall be held back in any class or expelled from school till completion of elementary education. And here is the Cabinet decision. Deferred. Cabinet directed the department to put up a comprehensive Cabinet note on all important issues under Right to Education Act 2009. Importantly, Education Department issued the circular after 7 days of this decision. Cabinet had taken this decision on 28 April, whereas Education Department issued the circular on 6th May. Some of the ministers have taken this step by Education Department as the contempt of the Cabinet. They have also written to the Chief Minister and Chief Secretary about this move by the department, but no action is initiated as yet. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Government has finally decided to clear some of the important demands of UTA. 12% of government revenue will be allotted for the development of ST community. Even the government job quota reserved for ST community will be filled within 2 months. A delegation will leave for Delhi to deliberate on the 12% reservation demand for ST in the State Assembly. ST certificates will be issued within 3 days. CM and Chief Secretary along with other officials held a meeting on Tuesday and cleared these demands.
It seems like Mangesh Gaonkar and Dilip Velip's sacrifice has beared fruits for its community. Government has decided to fulfill some of the important demands of UTA. CM along with Chief Secretary, Finance Secretary, Law Secretary and ST Department Secretary held an important meeting on Tuesday on the backdrop of UTA agitation. The demands fulfilled are 12% state revenue allotted for the welfare of ST, pending government job quota for ST to be filled within 2 months, CM to personally monitor the progress every 15 days. Delegation to leave for Delhi with the demand of 12% ST reservation in the State Assembly. ST certificates to be given within 3 days. Ban on the sale of land belonging to ST community. Directive sent to Land Registrar. ST Corporation gets 4 crores out of 7 crores immediately. ST Department gets a full-time director. Government was under immense pressure post UTA carnage at Bali. UTA activists have charged government of neglecting them for the past many years. Ramesh Tavadkar had also criticized CM for overlooking ST problems. On the backdrop of this raging inferno of UTA, government held an emergency meeting to fulfill UTA demands. 19 posts in the ST department have been filled with immediate effect. A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Sushant Pal.
One of the survivors of Anchal Kaj Bhavan at Bali, Soiru Vilip, has narrated spine-chilling account of the Bali carnage. Soiru explained how the premises was set on fire and how they overcame the panic and encounter with death. Soiru says, I saw Mangesh running for his life from the premises. Soiru narrated a tale that could put humanity to shame. Here is the first eyewitness account.
आमकां मातशें हें जालें, अरे आमदाराक मारला म्हणून आमकां मातशें सामकें सणकलें सगळ्यांक. अरे आमदाराक मारला अशें करून आमी या म्हणल्यार पळोवपाक सकयल देंवताले आमी. सकयल देंवले तेन्ना डॉक्टर दिवाकर मुखार सरलो, हांव भायर सरलो. दिवाकर भायर सरलो. हांव भायर सरतना इतल्यान कोण तरी म्हाका म्हणलें की अरे गुंड येता आनी पुलीस येता फाटल्यान अशें म्हणटरी हांव कन्फ्यूज जालो. हांव उठलो परत तसो थंय ग्रावंड फ्लोराचेर फाटल्यान टॉयलेट आसा थंय गेलो भितर. सेकंड फ्लोराचेर वचून पळयलें, प्रशांत आनी हांव पळयता जाल्यार चड कोण गुण हातात दाणे घेवन मुखार सरता 10-15 जाण. फाटल्यान पुलीस आसा, पुलीस तांकां कोण हाडयना तांकां खंय उडयना. सो ते आयले आनी गेटी कडेन आयले आनी कोण तरी गाळ मारपाक लागले, दार काडलें मारता, गेट काडलें मारता अशें म्हणून. सो इतल्यान आमी हें पळयत येता कोण तरी फादर आमकां कोण तरी पळयलें आसतना फादर शेवटपाक लागले. फादर मातसो चुकलो कोण फादर शेवटिता. आमी सायडीन गेले. सो तरी आसतना मागीर मदीं 15-20 मिनटां हांव भायर सरलो तेन्ना म्हाका कसलो आवाज आयलो, कोण धांवलो आनी कोण तरी सकयल धांवला, सकयल धांवला. म्हाका एक टी शर्ट दिसलें ग्रीन डार्क कशें आनी तें मंगेशान घायलें खबर आसा म्हाका. तो मंगेश धांवला, तो मोडलो न्हू धांवला. वो धांवलो तो पळयला हांवें सकयल स्टेप्स वयल्यान खंय तरी धांवला. आतां तो धांवला जर म्हाका दिसलें की तो खंय तरी भायर सरपाक गेलो आसतलो आनी परत बोवाळ जाली, मारा भायर सोड नाका अशें बोवाळ जावपाक लागलें. हांव असो परत भितर येयलो, कांय कळलें ना म्हाका. सो परत स्वताक आमी लॉक करून घेतले भितर आनी रावले. आतां बरें चल्लें, आतां वर जायत आयलें चलता सगळें. आनी आमकां तो पर्यंत कळलें ना बिल्डिंगेक उजो घातला म्हणून. आमी गाडयेक उजो घातला तेन्ना कांय वेळान जेन्ना कळलें की धुंवर येवपाक लागलो बिल्डिंगाक उजो घातला दिसलें आमकां. आनी पेत ना पूण कोणा कडेन भायर वयतले जाल्यार दारां गरम जालीं, सळसळटा, भायर वचपाक चान्सीस ना हें करपाक. सो भायर गेले जाल्यार लोक आसा भायर, आमी कोणा भरोशा भायर सरपाचें ना. आतां म्हणली पळया मीन्स हें सुचना, तें सामकें रडटा. तितलें आसून हांवें टिपू आशिल्ली ती काडून मारलें तेजेर, एंट्रीच जायना. सो भायर आतां उलो पडला भरपूर सामको, कांयच करपाक म्हणजे भायर सरपाक येना. लायटीचे वायऱ्यो लमकळटा आनी कांयच कळना कितें करपाचें. दारां घातल्यार दार सळसळटा. सो मागीर भितर एक टायल आशिल्लो तो घेवन भायर सरला. तकलीच सुचना, भायर येता भितर येता हांव. पयलीं म्हणजे उजो सामको वयर धुंवर पावलो, सामको गरमी सोंसपाक जायना. जेन्ना हें सगळें भायर रावन म्हणटा की तुमी भायर सरा टॅरेसीर वचा हें जातलें म्हणून दार काडलें हांवें कितें तो टावेल तकलेचेर घायलो. आनी जाल्यार म्हाका तेन्ना लक्ष आयलें की तेजें हॉल जें आसा पळय सेकंड फ्लोराचेर तें ग्रिल्स ना म्हणून. सो गेलो आनी ग्लास ओपन केले आनी ग्लास इतले गरम की हात सुद्दां लावपाक येना. ते फोर्सान ओपन केलें. हांव भायर सरलो आनी इतलो तेगे इन्स्पेक्टर तो भायर सरलो आनी ताका भायर काडलो पयलीं. आनी ताणें बॅग सकयल उडयलें. सगळें पुलीस आसा, कोण थोडे वळखीचे दळवी बी कोण तरी पयल्या प्रशांत. आनी मागीर ते अरे सोयरू भिनाका उडी मारनाका म्हणून. इतल्यान मागीर तो इन्स्पेक्टर उडी मारपाक वयतालो. म्हणटा उडी मारनाका ताका धरलो. इतल्यान कृष्णा रडत भायर आयलो दुसऱ्या ग्लासा कडेन. तो पर्यंत त्या ग्लासा कडेन तो ग्लास ओपन आसलो, मातसो फुटलो कितें भायर सरपाक मेळना. ग्लासीक मूट मारली आनी कृष्णाक भायर काडलो ताका. सकयल जालें. हांव देंवतना हांव सांगलें की फर्स्ट फ्लोराचेर मंगेश हांव खबर आसा आनी कोण तरी दोग आसा, कोण तरी बोवाळ मारल्या पळया अशें म्हणून. पूण इतल्या बोवाळ हांव एक जाणा सेव केला आनी मंगेश आनी दिलीपा सेव करपाक शकता.
A reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
National delegation of the BJP visited Dilip Vilip and Mangesh Gaonkar's residence on Tuesday. Delegation also inspected the devastated Bali site. The delegation headed by Fagan Singh Kulashte has demanded dismissal of the Kamath government. The report of this visit will be handed over to the national president of the BJP, Nitin Gadkari.
Dilip Velip died during the Bali agitation by UTA. Dilip was a resident of Morpirla. On Tuesday, BJP's National ST Morcha President Faggan Singh Kulaste, Lok Sabha MP Ramnath Singh, All India General Secretary of BJP ST Morcha Dharmendra Pradhan, National Secretary Advocate Bhupendra Yadav met the grieving family of late Dilip Vedip. BJP's national delegation visited the distracted Aanchal Kaju Bhavan and Cooperative Credit Society. Later, they visited deceased Mangesh Gaonkar's house at Jiltawadi in Gaondongri. UTA President Prakash Vedip and state spokesperson of the BJP Rajendra Arlekar also accompanied this delegation.
और इससे साफ स्पष्ट तौर से जाहिर होता है कि सरकार की एक प्री प्लानिंग योजना बद्ध तरीके से जो एक ट्राइबल सोसाइटी, आदर्श सोसाइटी, जहाँ पर सारे उस ट्राइबल साउथ गोवा के जो ट्राइबल्स हैं वहाँ पर रिक्रूटमेंट होता है, वहाँ पर उन लोगों के लिए इतनी सारी सुविधाएं।
जिस तरीके से ट्राइबल पे अत्याचार हुआ है और उनको जो सामाजिक न्याय की लड़ाई उन्होंने जो लड़नी चाहिए शांतिपूर्वक तरीके से, उसको गोवा की सरकार के द्वारा दबाया गया है। सबसे पहली बात है कि गोवा की वर्तमान सरकार जो दिगंबर कामत के नेतृत्व में है, उसने शासन करने का अपना नैतिक अधिकार खो दिया है और इसलिए इस सरकार को गोवा के ट्राइबल्स को बचाने के लिए तुरंत जाना होगा। इसको देखते हुए राज्यपाल को गोवा की सरकार को तुरंत भंग किए जाने की अनुशंसा करनी चाहिए, वरना भारतीय जनता पार्टी इसके लिए देश में और गोवा में आंदोलन की शुरुआत करेगी।
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, प्रूडेंट मीडिया।
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.